All right, welcome back. Our veterinarian, Dr. Joe, is here to answer all of your pet questions. He's brought along little Bridget Jones. She's a Shih Tzu cross with maybe the OK Westie Rescue. And she is just a little bundle of joy. She walked through the newsroom and she was just happy.
Yeah, everybody just loved her. She's a good little dog here. She's probably close to kind of 5 years old. She kind of was rough, and we're getting her back in shape here. But she is a nice little dog. She's kind of personable. She's not really a treat lover. She just wants to be pet and kind of play and do her stuff. So she's really great. But yeah, sweet. She's over at the clinic, and if you guys want to call over there or come over or whatever, but she's ready to go, and she is ready, and she's kind of a playful little thing. So
yeah.
I'm kind of holding her here.
Yeah, she was walking through the newsroom, and her little tail was just wiggling, and she was smelling everything. She was excited.
She kind of knows how to play it. So. A lot of people got little melted hearts in there.
Oh,
so
well, she's
anyway,
so sweet.
she's good. So.
Well, she's melting our hearts right now. So, okay, let's get to some of our.
She is
so
a good
sweet.
girl.
All right, let's get to some of our questions. Mike asks, "My dog is not eating, but he's drinking normally. Should I be worried?"
Yeah, many dogs are grazers, and gosh, they'll skip a day or two without eating, and it kind of bothers us, but they're kind of used to that. But generally speaking, if we go like 3 days without eating, or honestly, if you have any other clinical signs you think are lethargic, vomiting, diarrhea, anything like that, then yeah, you should have it examined, because very rarely will they go without drinking. Okay.
Yeah.
I mean, drinking's, you got to do that pretty much every day. So.
Okay. Yeah, because some dogs.
Breathing, drinking, eating. So the
All the
rule of
basics.
3 minutes, about 3 days you can go without drinking, and then about 3 weeks without eating. So
oh my gosh.
that's the 3 rule.
Yeah. Okay. Well, Abby asks, "My cat is itchy during the winter time, like a lot of us, I guess. What can I do to relieve her symptoms?"
Yeah, although it's below freezing today outside, but most people keep the indoors nice and warm, and you want to look for fleas because they love to live inside. We have a lot of people with fleas, even though it's not really the flea season or whatever. The second deal I do is kind of get examined by your veterinarian, especially if you have places that are patchy hair loss or there's kind of excessive itching, because basically you want to figure out what's causing that first, and then address that. So.
Okay. Well, here's one that I think a lot of pet owners deal with.
Yes.
Jill asks, "Do you have any tips for dealing with separation anxiety for my dog?"
Absolutely. So the first thing we talk about is the triggers. Okay. When I pick up my keys, my dog gets excited because he's like, "Am I going? Am I not going?" And then finally I'll say, "No, you're not going." He goes, "Okay, I'm not." So and really the second tip is do not, whatever you do, and it's counterintuitive because we want to kind of say, "Oh, it's okay," or whatever. But once you do that, you're actually reinforcing it, and you're saying it's okay to be nervous, and basically that just kind of escalates up, and it's very counterintuitive because it is kind of sad because they get sad too. Oh. But absolutely, those are the two things. And then there's a lot of trainers, and you can talk to your veterinarian out there and kind of see how bad it is and what you can do to basically divert. So and get them to be doing something else while you're gone and not thinking about you being gone. So.
Yeah, I usually throw a treat and then run.
Yeah, well, that's one way to do it. Yes,
that's the best way I figured out how to do it. All right. Well, if you have a question for Dr. Joe about your pet, post it to our Facebook page, KJRH TV. And if you are interested in adopting little Bridget Jones, you can call Heritage Vet at the number you see right here on your screen. And if you want to learn more about Heritage Veterinary Hospital or see other pets who might need some homes, go to our website at kjrh.com. All right, Brandon, let's end it.